Welcome back. So are you planning a big move? If so, you are not alone. Throughout the pandemic, many people chose to make a move. Just take a look from this map at Bloomberg. People moved from KC across the Midwest and beyond. But most of the people who moved last year, in fact, 84%, stayed within the same metro area. So whether you're moving down the street or packing up your family and heading across the country, there is a crew that you can count on to make it your best move ever.
We're a 15-year-old business that did start locally in Kansas City with just small apartment moves, but we've been able to grow that we cover the entire Kansas City area. Plus, we work in the United States and Canada. We travel people as far as Florida and bring them to the Kansas City area. So we'll help you in all your moving needs. This time of year is a really busy time of year with all the home sales and stuff. So we encourage everybody to schedule their You Move Me experience at least 14 days in advance. That allows us to get you the right time that we can serve you in the best way possible. I also encourage you to let an on-site estimator come to your house and use his experience so that he can explain the moving experience with you, estimate it appropriately, and know how many men, how many trucks, and how much time it'll take for you to do that. I'll also give you 2 more tips. We would encourage you to find a good location for the truck to park. The shorter distance from the house to the truck cuts down on the time of the move. And then a unique way that really helps people, instead of saying bedroom and kitchen, if you color code rooms, if boxes go to the red room, the green room, the blue room, that's a universal language that we all know and we think helps the process go a lot faster and smoother for everyone. Something you may want to avoid on moving day is having more people at the house than you want, all right? A lot of traffic causes issues in moving and people step on each other's toes and get in each other's way. So if we can get the cats, the dogs, the fish, and the children in another location, it makes it a lot smoother. What I would encourage that you do is, after you've scheduled your move about 2 weeks out, is just knock 1 or 2 boxes out a day. If you try to make it a big day and knock all of it out, it's just an overwhelming task. If you can take it into smaller pieces, it makes it a lot easier on you and sets you up for a lot more success.
Yeah. Make your next move the best one ever. Let Jeff and his team help your move and get those things in town or over the road. For more information and to schedule, just go to youmoveme.com or you can call 913-708-8744.